Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video because I picked up my very first vintage designer handbag. So if you want to know which bag I got, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I actually ordered from thevintagebar.com and it's a page from Denmark, I think. And I have heard about them from Instagram and from other accounts. I know some people that I follow that have ordered with them multiple times and they were always super happy. And I followed the page. I created my account in 2020, like beginning of 2020, because I'm always looking for vintage Chanel designer handbags. It's not a Chanel handbag, by the way. And I just looked on there on August 19th because that's when I ordered this bag. And I kind of wanted something, I know it sounds kind of bougie, but I wanted something because you guys know I just got a dog like 3 months ago. And I wanted something that I could take that is very practical, that I can take out with her if I'm on a walk, that fits all her essentials and also my essentials, obviously. And I wanted something very casual, carefree, and I wanted something with character. So on the website, I looked for vintage Fendi, vintage Gucci, those kinds of bags because I really like the look of them. I like when it's like really old school, and I also really enjoy a more, like casual and used bag. So I have something to switch up my collection a little bit because I feel like I have a lot of more dressy bags that are a lot with gold hardware that are, very branded. And I wanted something that is very classic. I guess it's not understated. I will show you in a second, but just like very signifying of the brand. So the bag that I picked up is this little cutie. I mean, it's not that small, it's actually really big. It's kind of like the Gucci Ophidia line that they brought out really new. They bring out very similar bags from their new collection, so I will pop a picture of the Ophidia bags here. But the big one I think is like 1,000 euros, and I wanted not to spend that much money, so I got this one instead. This one cost me 390 euros. And it's very vintage. It has this long shoulder strap. I need to get a hole punched in there because I'm actually just secured it like that because I like the length of it more. And it has the reminiscent green and red stripes right here, and it has the old Gucci logo. So the very old Gucci logo. Then it has a zipper back right here that is very useful. And then from the inside, it looks amazing. I have my AirPods. It's amazing quality. It has the Gucci stamp right here, and it also has a back pocket. And the bag overall is in great condition. It has a couple of stains, for example, right here. If you can see that, but it smells good. There's nothing wrong with it except when I put my things in there, it tends to be a little dusty, so I think I will need to like dust the bag somehow. I don't know how that's gonna work, but yeah. And then from the back it's just plain, so you could also wear it like that, but I really like it. And it has the logo on here, the Gucci logo, and also on here. And they authenticate the bags for you. It's kind of like Vestiaire Collective, but more on a smaller level. So they have basically two different types of sending bags away. So the first type is they have their bags in their store in Copenhagen, and you can order from them and then they will ship the item directly to you, and that will take 2 to 4 business days within Scandinavia and 48 business days worldwide if they have it in store. My item, however, came from Italy. So she's a real Italian. I think it's more a he because this is the most masculine bag that I own. But yeah, And he came from Italy, and they say when it's located outside of their store, it will take 12 to 14 business days within Scandinavia and 14 to 18 business days worldwide. And I ordered the bag on August 19th and I got it on September 9th. Okay, I didn't get it on the 9th, I got it on the 3rd. Yeah, I got it on the 3rd of September, so that was exactly 2 weeks and 1 day. So it didn't take them that long at all. And I chose you can choose whatever payment you want. I chose Klarna, so I can pay it later because I wanted to see if I really want to keep it. So I chose Klarna, and I extended the paying method because I didn't get the item within the 2 weeks. So I extended it, so I have to pay in a month. So in total, this bag was 390, and then 9 euros for the shipping, and then I think 7 euros or something for Klarna. So a little over 400 euros. Tell me down below if you think that's okay, because I'm not sure if that's a lot, or because I looked on the website and there were similar bags to this with similar conditions. I think it's great condition. I'm guessing this bag is from the early 2000s, around there. So I think it's great condition. I will have to treat the leather a little bit. I will put some leather conditioner on there. And I think I will also have to put some air paper or something in it to keep its shape. But overall, I think the condition is great. It has the authentic strap and it has holes in here. Yeah, it has holes in there, 3 holes. But I think that's kind of too long, so I put it right here. So I want to get a different hole put in there. I will show you really quickly how it looks. So this is it across the body. When I have it like really low, you can see it's quite big. And then the way I like to wear it is just like on the shoulder, like a shorter bag. And I just really like it. It's really comfortable. And it's also really, really light, so I like that about it. I need to Google some stuff about it, but yeah. So in general, I can really recommend the vintage bar. It was really fast. It's quite easy because you have different methods of paying and things like that. So you can find a lot of different brands and variety of bags. You don't really have to go for vintage, but you can also like find newer bags. But I really wanted to test it out, and I love vintage Gucci. I think it's so classic, and you can still see this style. Like they come up with this style like over and over again, and I don't know, I just like how different it is, and how much it stands out from my collection, because I don't own anything like that. I mean, I own a lot of camera bags, but this one is my first little vintage one. So please tell me down below if you think I paid too much. Also about the zipper, it's very smooth. Like, I don't have to say anything negative about that. And yeah, like I said, the inside is amazing. It's shipped like whatever inside lining that is, it's coming apart a little bit. So I think that's what you can see right here. So I think that is what is dusting. But yeah. And do you think like I should get it authenticated? Because I know the vintage bar only takes authenticated bags. They probably changed the material here, so it probably was at some kind of bag repair or something like that. But I don't mind. Like I said, I really like vintage bags, and I can spot the difference on like vintage bag. It's also very, very durable, so that's why I wanted something that I could wear for going with my dog. It didn't come with any paperwork, like original paperwork or any dust bags. It just came packaged in a box with tissue paper and nothing else. So that was kind of weird. And obviously my confirmation order thing, I didn't get the receipt yet because I haven't paid yet. So I mean, that makes sense. But yeah, tell me if I should get it authenticated. Although I think I just trust them because I know a lot of people have already ordered from them. I was really, really scared. I'm always so scared to buy secondhand. That's why I never did it before. I always buy directly from the store because I'm just so scared to get a fake. But I think I can really tell that this one is authentic, and it's in awesome condition. The person probably used it like when she got it or he got it, and then put it in a dust bag for a really long time, and yeah, I feel like it's amazing condition and it's something very new in my wardrobe. So since I said I wanted to use it as a doggy bag, I wanted to share with you what fits inside because this is huge. And so I have all my doggy, like walking my dog, doggy essentials. So we'll do a little what's in my bag. So I have this little, my dog is really small, but this bottle is huge. So you can put water in here and then you can just press it and then she can drink out of here. So I will put that at the bottom. And this one holds, I think, like 300 milliliters or something like that. And this fits at the bottom, no problem. And then, I mean, my dog doesn't eat much, so she needs these poopy bags and then she needs some snacks. I usually don't bring the whole thing. I just take a small little container and put some of them in here, but I will, for the purpose of this video, I'll just pop the whole thing in here. What I'll do, however, is I will show you because I just came back from walking my dog actually, and I actually always take a cup, a reusable cup, and when I'm done with it, this holds my coffee by the way, and when I'm done with it, I just put it in a poopy bag, and then I just twist it and I just pop it in my bag so I don't have to hold it the whole time. So this is what I'll do, and this closes without any problem. But I'm gonna take this out. So I have the bottle, the snacks, and the poopy bags, and then obviously I need my stuff. So I need my phone, I need my keys. I don't really need my wallet to go on walk, but I'll pop my wallet, and this fits so amazingly. I would fit so much more stuff, like I could fit sunglasses, I could fit whatever, but this kind of gives you an idea. And then I wanted to share with you, like, if I would take this bag for me in the city, or a couple days ago I went to a barbecue, so that was my bag. So I will take a bottle of water. I just take the dog bottle as an example, and then I have my phone, my keys, my wallet, and then my mini pochette that holds all of my stuff. And then I could also bring a hairbrush, for example, and that would fit no problem. I could also fit some sunnies, I could fit whatever, and this looks like this. So yeah, very easy, very versatile. I hope you think it's cute too. I don't know. I think a lot of you will probably find it ugly or like really just like old looking, but I like it. I like it. I very like it. I asked my husband, I was like, oh, do you like it? Like, should I keep it? And he's like, it's okay. I'm like, wow, that's not really like the answer that I was expecting. He's like, why? It's positive. It's okay. I didn't say it's not okay. I'm like, well, I guess don't be too generous with your compliments, but yeah. So, yeah, I guess he doesn't like care about it. Like, he doesn't find it ugly, but he doesn't like, didn't freak out when he saw it either. Not that he would freak out with any bag that I own, but anyway, you know what I mean. So this is my newest addition to my wardrobe. Tell me down below what you think. Tell me down below if you've purchased from Vintage Bike before, and if you have, what were your experiences? I read quite mixed reviews on the website, online. Some people said like they actually address the packaging not being as high quality. So if you buy like a more delicate bag than this, I would have found the packaging quite dangerous because it was only wrapped in like this little piece of paper, like wrapping paper, and there was no like bubble wrap or something to protect it. So that was, yeah, not that good, I guess. And then some people said that they had problems with refunding if they sent back the bag. And one person even wrote that they didn't accept a refund because they said like the reasoning behind sending back the bag wasn't sufficient. So, well, anyway, so that's something that I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully it helps somebody of you. Tell me down below what you think, and I will see you for my next video. Bye guys!